In this video, we'll be solving a logarithmic equation by changing to an exponential. Our problem that we're working with is the log base 2 of the quantity 2x minus 5 plus the log base 2 of the quantity x minus 3 is equal to 3. Now we know that if we have two logarithms added together, we can rewrite this as a single logarithm by multiplying those arguments. So this left side is the same as the log base 2 of 2x minus 5 times x minus 3. And that's equal to 3. Now we're going to write this logarithmic equation as an exponential equation. And we're going to use the rule that the log base b of a equals x can be rewritten as our base b raised to the x power equals a. So our base is 2. Our exponent on the exponential is going to be 3. And that equals this argument right here. So 2x minus 5 times x minus 3. We're going to use FOIL, multiply this out. So 2 cubed is 8. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times negative 3 is a negative 6x. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. And negative 5 times negative 3 is a positive 15. When we have a quadratic, we know this is a quadratic because of the x squared term. It's always best to put everything on one side, set it equal to 0, and then see if it can be factored or if you need to use some other method to solve. I have 2x squared. Combine these two terms, it's negative 11x. And then if I subtract 8 from this side, I'll have plus 7. This quadratic does not factor, so I am going to use the formula. A is 2, B is negative 11, C is 7. So x equals a negative b plus or minus square root of b squared. Now, negative 11 squared is 121 minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is positive 11 plus or minus the square root of 121 minus 56 all over 4. X equals 11 plus or minus 121 minus 56 is 65. So square root of 65 over 4. So x is approximately open the numerator, 11 plus the square root of 65. Close the numerator, divide by 4. We get 4.766. And then my other answer is with a minus 11 minus square root of 65 divided by 4, and that is 0.7344. Okay, now we need to check one more thing before we box in our answer. This is 4.7, 4.8. This is 0.7. So we need to check in our original problem if we will have any negative arguments. 4.7, if we put that back in here, that's fine. That'll give me a positive argument. But if I put 0.73 in for x right here, that'll give me a negative argument. So this answer will not work. The argument must be positive. Must be positive. So this is the only answer that I can box in and use.